Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited about today's video. We're talking about the top 5 reasons why pouring into your current customer, your current clientele is going to produce more work and an end result producing more income. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. So number 1 is really good. We're talking about trust breeds loyalty. That's the first one. And basically establishing strong relationships with your customers right now is going to produce a trust not only in you, but also in your brand. Whether you are a service-based business, whether you are a trade, or whether you own Amazon. Shout out to Amazon. Creating trust with your clients and your customers, it puts a trust into your brand, and that's really, really important. Guys, that's really important. And with the end result of that is going to be customers who are constantly returning to you for more. I want to make this really clear to you guys. It's so easy to get caught up in wanting to pour all your focus on finding new clients and new customers. I'm guilty of that. There's like this euphoric high of getting a new customer. It's very nice. And it's easy to lose focus of what you already have. And so really, I want you guys to get out of this. Let's pour into what we already have. That's what all the major brands are doing right now. Nike, Jordan, Amazon, you name it. They have a group of people who trust their brand and keep coming back. Number 2, this is a really great one. As we've heard, I'm sure you've heard this from your grandpappy, your dad, or whatever, or somebody that you trust, that word of mouth is the best advertising you can possibly have. And it's true. If somebody trusts you well enough to tell somebody else about you, they don't even know you, but because their friend or their grandma or whoever trusts you, they automatically place a level of trust in you as well. That's super huge, guys. So prioritizing and relationship building is going to have customers share with their friends, their families, their neighbors, their social networks. This organic word of mouth marketing will significantly improve your sales. And so this is why it's so important. Okay, number 3 is increased customer lifetime value. What I mean by that is by continually keeping up with your customers, whether it's email marketing or just, a text, whatever, making it personal. This allows for cross-selling, upselling. It's just establishing more sales for a longer extended amount of time, whether it's 3, 5, 10, 15, 20 years. You hear about, I'm speaking in terms of like trade or a service-based business. You hear constantly about, your neighbor has had the same handyman or the same plumber, or your mom has been going to the same mechanic for the last 15 years because they trust them. We hear that all the time. Well, I go to him because I trust him, or I go to her because I trust her. She cleans my house. I hired her full time because I trust her. It's a huge thing, this trust thing. Number 4, a feedback loop for improvement. As you get closer to your customers, it allows for customers to start feeling comfortable enough to give feedback on whatever your product is or your service is. And this in turn is going to help you grow your business, become a better version of your business. There's a great quote, I don't know who it's by, but basically it's like, if you're not If you look back at when you started your business and you aren't, it doesn't make you, cringe a little bit, then that means you started too late. We should be growing. When you start, it probably won't be that great. But 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, if we're pouring into our customers and we're receiving feedback and we're growing as individuals, this is in fact going to help our business so much. The moment you lose eye on the customer, you're losing eye on the trust. And when you lose eye on the trust, you start losing money. So, number 5, this is my favorite one, is being able to differentiate. I'm so glad I said that right. Differentiate in a competitive market. Guys, the market is so saturated right now, pretty much with whatever you do. Whether it's a service-based business, a trade business, you sell products online. Guys, it's so saturated, and we know this. How can we stay separated from the rest of the game, from the rest of the people? This is where pouring into your customers makes the biggest difference. It separates you from everybody else. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to run and maintain your business, please watch some of the other videos. So with that being said, by building great relationships with your customers, your biggest thing is establishing trust. And when you establish trust, the fruit of your labor is going to be a great harvest. It will be a higher income and more customers. And that, at the end of the day, is what we desire. Treating your customers great is free. It doesn't cost you anything, right? And so there's no money, there's no dollar sign to treating your customers like royalty. But the return on investment, there's no cap to it, guys. And so this is why it is the best way to get free leads, is pouring into your customers. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. If there's any ways that you have personally connected with customers in your area of business, please put a comment below. I'd love to hear some testimonies or ideas that you do to connect with customers. And again, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.